So you've decided to learn to play trumpet and you've got your instrument. Today, I'm going to show you some of the basics of how to put it together and how to hold the horn so that we could get you started on the right foot. My name's Matt from White Meadow Music. Let's get started. So to get you playing trumpet, we first have to be able to put it together. The trumpet's one of the easier instruments to assemble as most of the body is just one piece. All we have to do to put it together is hold the body straight up and down, take our mouthpiece like this, and drop it in the lead pipe here. The lead pipe is this thinner tube here that the mouthpiece goes into, and it's the first tube that the air is going to travel through as you play the trumpet. Giving it just a quarter of a twist will make sure that it doesn't fall out. Now you're ready to go. The next step is learning how to hold the trumpet. And this is actually pretty easy. We're going to start with our left hand. We're going to take that hand and wrap our thumb and pointer finger around the valves here so that we've got a pretty good grip on it. The thumb can go in this little U-shaped piece of metal, or it can just go against the valve casings if you're missing that part. We also have a ring on this side. That ring can be used for your ring finger or your middle finger, depending on what's most comfortable. I like to use my middle finger as I think it gives me a little bit more control over the slide. The rest of our fingers wrap comfortably around the valves to make sure that we've got a very good grip on the horn. Next, we'll talk about our right hand. For trumpet, the right hand is mostly to work the valves, but we've got special places for our thumb and our pinky. Our thumb is going to go underneath the first and second valve casing right here, and we're going to leave it just nicely on the lead pipe so we have something to push the valves against. Our pinky is going to go on top of the pinky ring here, not so much inside of it. Leaving the pinky on top is going to make sure that you don't use excess pressure when playing. The next thing we're going to do is very simply line up our fingers and go valve 1, 2, and 3. Now you're ready to go. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to put the trumpet together and how to hold it. If you're ready to take the next step, please take a look at our description for videos that'll show you how to create a great trumpet sound. If you're interested in private lessons, head over to our website at whitemeadowmusic.com. We see students nationwide by teaching over Skype, and we'd like to offer you a free first lesson so you can see what that's like. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and share if you have friends who are interested in this content, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.